What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? In this video, I'm going to show you my very first Hackintosh build. I'm going to show you the parts I use right now. Let's check it out. I start off things with this micro ATX case from Thermaltake. Now this is a fairly large case. It can fit a whole bunch of drives and it's just plenty of room for pretty much anything you want to throw in here. And I have to admit that when I first unboxed this thing, I didn't really like it, but it's grown on me quite a bit because there's just so much space, which left plenty of room for the Gigabyte Extreme motherboard that I use. This is a mini ATX board, has plenty of DIMM slots for all the RAM you need. And most importantly, it works great for Hackintosh builds. Now, one thing I have to say is this case does not have a case speaker, so you're going to want to pick up a speaker to plug into this motherboard. The Core i5 processor that I picked out meets the minimum requirements for the Oculus Rift, which is one reason I chose this. The Cooler Master is a well-respected CPU cooler. The 8GB of RAM is the minimum requirement for the Oculus Rift, and this particular RAM works great with Hackintoshes. And here's the real centerpiece of this build, the GeForce GTX 970. It does meet the requirements set out by Oculus, which of course is important for this particular build that I'm doing. Now for network connectivity, I'm using the TP-Link wireless PCI Express adapter. This does work well with Hackintoshes, although it doesn't support continuity. And for Bluetooth connections, I'm using the IO Gear Bluetooth 4.0 USB adapter. For my power, I'm using the Sentey 720 watt power supply. Mainly picked this out to save money, but I wish I would have went with a modular power supply, one that was a little quieter as well. Then you have the Samsung 850 EVO. Also have this other drive in there, just ignore that, but the EVO is fast, well respected, and works well with Hackintoshes. So ladies and gentlemen, that is my very first Hackintosh build, and I'm happy to say it was a success. It took a while to get it all down because I'm just so new at it, but I do look forward to showing you guys how I did this step by step in an upcoming video and tutorial. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is Jeff with 9to5Mac.